mathematical thinkers like me, we're addressing issues of identity and self-efficacy in math, particularly for our Black and Brown students. We'll collaborate with teachers and students to build a program centered around online collaborative problem solving that supports student storytelling and community sharing about their ongoing journey as mathematical thinkers. We'll focus on student success with rich, high-quality mathematics, cultivating their interest and mathematical identities, and strengthening their sense of control in their learning and the pursuit of their interests. We'll develop and expand technology that will allow students to collaborate in online problem solving using rich, challenging tasks, then help them use these experiences to tell evidence-based stories about their development as mathematical thinkers and share these stories with others with whom they can identify. One of our previous projects, Virtual Math Teams, or VMT, developed several iterations of an online dynamic environment which many groups of students and teachers have used to do mathematics in small groups. The environment had a shared GeoGebra space and a text chat with the possibility of multiple tabs, but nothing else to shift focus from the shared task at hand. The chat was color-coded and time-stamped. Color-coded squares in the chat indicate actions performed in the GeoGebra space. Students work in that space one at a time by choosing to take control. In sessions from prior projects, we see students show respect for each other's ideas, support each other, show humor, and encourage each other to participate by checking in. Students who do math together tend to show more of themselves in the work and make references to other aspects of their lives. It's only natural that when you collaborate, more of you is visible than when you do math alone. The most recent version of the VMT software includes the ability to use Desmos in addition to GeoGebra. On the surface, the other features stay the same, and the focus remains on the shared workspace and the text chat. The result is a streamlined environment for doing mathematics without video and audio distractions that enables close attention to successful collaboration and understanding the thinking of others while supporting executive functions in practice. For example, the software enforces turn-taking, bringing self-regulation to the attention of the learner, since only one person can be working on the GeoGebra or Desmos space at a time. Holding your questions and ideas while someone else is creating and manipulating objects exercises working memory, and picking up on the approaches or ideas of others promotes cognitive flexibility. Access to rich, challenging, group-worthy math tasks that leverage the online environment is critical to our project. We're partnering with Desmos to use their new middle school math curriculum, which is built from the open-source Illustrative Mathematics curriculum materials. This gives us access to materials that are high-quality, challenging, grade-level appropriate, standards-aligned, and optimized for use within a dynamic mathematics environment. We'll be able to modify activities to make them more suitable for a collaborative setting. We also have middle school activities that we've used with students in the past in our existing online environment. We'll be able to draw on our experiences with them to adapt any new materials for our improved and expanded environment. After collaborating in online problem solving with rich, challenging tasks, students will then use these experiences to tell evidence-based stories about their development as mathematical thinkers and share these stories with others with whom they can identify. Our current plan is to use Flipgrid for the storytelling, since their current technology seems to include what we need for ease of video generation, assignment management, sharing, and community development. This process both serves to develop interest and relevance and as metacognitive work to consolidate understandings and organize future thinking about their math, executive functions, and connections to equity. In addition to the technology tools and rich mathematics that we've described so far, we also hope to adapt and incorporate video monitoring tools, such as currently provided by Desmos in their teacher dashboard and by researchers in Israel who have developed a working environment to monitor group learning in virtual math teams. The Desmos teacher tools allow teachers to view all of the activities they've used with their students. For each activity, the teacher can then view a dashboard which shows a summary of the class's progress through the activity, plus the ability to view the actual student work for a particular page of an activity. The Israel group has developed an environment that allows teachers to monitor multiple groups simultaneously, get live feedback on critical points, and offer recommendations for how to handle those. In this example, we see the group's toolbar on the right, which shows a user panel, critical messages, and critical actions. Their tools allow for monitoring both the chat participation and the actions performed by each member of the room. We're excited to have the opportunity to combine and expand this group of technology tools as part of this project. Thank you for watching.